Hey guys, my name is Kelly Dale with Off the Beaded Path. So you may hear and see that things are a little bit different for the intro of this video. Currently, my family and I are on vacation in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and just down the strip from us is Surfside Beach. And there are some great bead stores in Surfside Beach, just like this one behind me. This is Moonstone Beads. Today, I want to take you on a tour of Moonstone Beads, let you see a peek inside of this store, and we're going to talk to the owner, Tina, and we're going to ask her a few questions about her store and get to know her a little bit better. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video about Moonstone Beads, and I hope that you, if you are in the Grand Strand area, that you will come and visit Tina at Moonstone Beads. Hey guys, I'm here today at Moonstone Beads in Surfside, South Carolina. Today we're going to talk to the owner, Tina, and find out all about Moonstone and what you can expect when you visit her store. Okay, so Tina, go ahead and tell us your name and how long you've owned the store.
My name's Tina Cook. I bought this store 5 years ago. June was my 5th anniversary.
Okay.
I used to come in here for stress relief because I was a real estate paralegal for 22 years and worked about 10 hours a day.
Okay, so before you purchased it, you were a customer, correct?
Yes, I was a customer here.
So who was the original owner of the store?
The original owner was C.J. Peters, and when I kept coming by the store and it was closed, I came to find out that she had cancer and was trying to sell the store. So I pretty much made up my mind in 24 hours this is what I wanted to do because I was done with the legal profession.
Yeah.
I mean, and life's too short. It's just too short to do something that long every day. I didn't have a life, basically, was what it boiled down to.
Right.
Right. And this is definitely different.
So you've had the store for 5 years now, correct? Congratulations, that's awesome.
Thank you.
So if a customer was to had never heard of Moonstone, had never heard of you, Tina, and they were to walk through the doors, what can they expect? They
can expect from me to talk to them. My dogs, of course, will greet them. I generally ask everybody if they're local or not. If they're on vacation, I try to share some of the sights to see here. If they're beaders, then I ask them, can I help you with anything specific? What are you looking for? But a lot of times it's just tourists come in, curiosity, and I try to tell them about Brook Green Gardens because I grew up having a second home here, and it's one of my favorite places. I don't think that it's advertised enough. So I try to make sure that they know there is some culture down here.
Gotcha.
A little bit.
Okay. Well, if they walk in, what beader do you cater to? Is it all beaders, or is it specific, like a stringer or a stitcher?
I have all different kinds come in. I have a lot of people who are strictly stringers. I also have even people who do needlepoint that come in because they're incorporating beads and crystals in needlepoint now.
Okay.
So I have a lot of ladies come in with their needlepoint, and I have one gentleman who does excellent work as well. But the majority of my business is local ladies who've relocated here, and we have bead therapy day on Wednesdays. Everyone just comes in, brings their lunch, and we sit here and talk and bead and talk and bead. But it's a lot. It's kind of a small community, I would think, is the way I'd like to describe it.
Gotcha. Good deal. Well, let me ask you this: do you have a favorite bead in your store?
A favorite bead in my store? Well, one of my favorites is a seed bead called Tarnished Silver Metallic. That's one of my favorites.
Is that a size 11, size 8? Do you have a preference?
I have it in 8 and 11s. Sometimes 50. It's hard to get. It's hard to get, basically. But when I have it in, it's like kind of one of my go-to beads. The other one is silver gray galvanized because it has kind of a silver and a green. Depends on what you put it with, what it's going to look like.
Gotcha.
So, and those are the two. If those two don't work, then I go to other colors.
Okay, good deal. Well, now here at Moonstone, do you offer classes?
We do. I'm lucky enough to have 2 teachers here. I have Shirley Moore and Kira Carmen.
Okay.
Shirley has been in Beadwork and Bead and Button and a European magazine. She also had 2 patterns in the Kumi Himo magazine that Bead and Button put out 2 years ago.
Nice. Okay, that's
And
great.
Kira is probably one of the best methodical teachers that you could get. She's so patient. She's so patient with everyone. She teaches a lot of the beginner classes.
Yeah.
She also tutors dyslexic children. So she
Gotcha.
has an unbelievable patience level.
Okay, good deal. Well, now, if somebody was to come on vacation to Myrtle Beach or Surfside and they want to take a class, how would they find out about classes?
The class schedule's on our website and on our Facebook page. But if there's no class and you want to make something that you see in our photo gallery, just call us and we can set up a time. I'll have Kira or Shirley call you back, and that way you can set up a time that works for both of you.
Okay, so does Moonstone Beads have a Facebook page or a website?
Both.
Okay, so what is the website and the Facebook page?
It's just moonstonebeads.com.
Okay.
And Moonstone Beads is on the Facebook. That's just the way it is, just that way.
All right, good deal. And what are your hours throughout the week?
10 till 5. Sometimes I'm here later, and if somebody's working and doesn't get off till 5, if they want to call me, I'm usually here anyway, and it would be open for them.
Okay.
Sometimes I run a little bit late though.
Okay. Is that Monday through Saturday?
It's Monday through Saturday.
Monday through Saturday. Okay, fantastic.
Okay.
Well, thank you for your time, Tina.
Thank you.
So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video about Moonstone Beads here in Surfside, South Carolina. Tina is always a joy to talk to when I come on vacation. So let's support our local bead stores if you have one. And if you come on vacation here at the Grand Strand of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, make sure to come and visit Moonstone Beads and tell them Kelly Dale from Off the Beaded Path sent you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!